To achieve adult matric would be only entry requirements. So the entry requirements would be starting lowest, NQF 1 GETC, the General Education and Training Certificate, 6 subjects in a generally. When you completed that, it's basically a grade 9. So that's the entry requirement, a completed or competent grade 9, a failed grade 10 or completed and passed grade 10, a grade 11 or a failed grade 11, and a failed grade 12. Now, even a past grade 12, if you want to add subjects to your matric, there's many people that don't have, for instance, math on their matric certificate. You can then add that subject and you will get a new matric certificate. So even people that has a grade 12 but wants to add another subject, you can do that as well. So that's the entry requirements into an adult matric.